1, 2, 3, go.
So this is a velociraptor. It means speedy thief. And its brain, however, is big, which means it's smart. It has Mr. Smarty Brain. Yeah, so it knows how it hunts. And it goes very fast speeds. And this, however, is Triceratops. It has a bony frill to defend itself, and these two horns are long, so don't underestimate it. And this, however, is a T-Rex. It has a bite of 3 tons and 830 pounds. And these two, they live in the same period, the late Cretaceous. So it would knock down Triceratops and boom, T-Rex wins. But somehow Velociraptor lived in the Cretaceous but lived before the T-Rex. And this is the Pentoceratops. It has a long frill and it means 5-horned face. Yeah, and it has long horns which it did not use for defense, maybe contesting over mates. This, however, is another T-Rex, which is actually a young one. This is not a flying dinosaur. It's a pterosaur. And they can fly and they rule over the dinosaurs. Yeah, and this is a pteranodon, lived in the late Cretaceous, same time where these two lived. And it actually hunts for fish. Yep. Moving on. This is a Dimetrodon. It did not live in the dinosaur age, and it was not a dinosaur. It lived in the Permian period, where reptiles had appeared. That was just right before the first dinosaurs appeared. And this thing, however, is a meat eater and actually has a spine, which kind of is actually like related to Spinosaurus or something. This is the Carnotaurus. It's like a bull with it actually has horns, just like Triceratops, except it's small and it's a meat eater. This thing actually eats meat and then lived in the Cretaceous period, not in the same kind of late Cretaceous. This, however, is the Kentosaurus. Lived in the Jurassic period. It had these things and this diameter to defend itself. And it could possibly kill a meat eater and hitting its leg, making it vulnerable. Yeah, and that's why it lives in the Stegosaur family. This is the Brachiosaurus, also known as giraffe titan, and it was used to be called Brachiosaurus, by the way. It actually means armed lizard, and it's gargantuan. It has a long neck, a strangely weird crest, and its tail. Its tail is actually its fence and its big legs to make a boom shattering stomp. And its tail also it can possibly wrap them, making them exposed to be vulnerable. Yeah, so that's it.
That's it.